Hello. How are you all? So, as you all know, the 12th boards exams are finally over, and now I am thinking what to do next. I'm sure this question is on everyone's mind. You must be thinking that I have filled out the NEET form and why I am taking a drop year. Well, let me tell you, I have thought this through and decided to take a drop year. I know some people might not agree with my decision, but from my point of view, it's the right thing to do. My dad wants me to become a doctor, but he has not forced me into anything. I want to do it on my own, and I am willing to work hard for it. I want to pursue NEET or BSc nursing from government college. I don't want to study in private college क्योंकि मैं खुद के दम पे कुछ लेना चाहती हूँ, ना कि मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन पे जाके एक बोझ बनना चाहती हूँ. If I can get a government job by taking a drop year, then why not, guys? These days, NEET has become a hug part of a student life. It's not just an exam, it's their entire life. That's why I am not going to depend on just one exam. I have many exams on my mind and I have filled out forms for all of them. This time I'll just appear for the NEET exam to see how it goes, and then I will prepare properly for next year. Next year will be my last attempt, and after that, I will take whatever I get. This is my first and last drop year. And one thing, to be honest, studying for 12th board exams and NEET simultaneously is very difficult. Both have different patterns now, which make it tough. For instance, if I am studying for NEET, I get used to multiple choice question and then I struggle to write paragraph which is required for the board's exams. That's why I have decided to take a drop year where I can focus slowly on my studies and give it my all. I also fill out forms for CUET and other exams. To be honest, I have not been studying well since Holi. Yes, I don't know why. I have been, yeah, I don't know why I have been so distracted, but now I am determined to focus. Whatever need to be done, I will do it. Currently, I will focus on studying for NEET, which I will be taking this year. I have 30 days left and I will attempt only the biology section this time. And आपका क्या प्लान है? आपको भी जो भी है आप मेरे कमेंट में बताओ आपका क्या प्लान है 12th के बाद. मेरे को भी तो जानना चाहिए यार, मेरे लोग क्या सोचते हैं, क्या करते हैं. So guys, that's all for now. I will catch up you all later. Please let me know in the comment section what kind of videos do you guys like. Challenge video and study tips or anything is. And thank you for watching. And I think आप सब बहुत प्यारे हो. एट लास्टली बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, मैं आपको बोलना चाहूँगी यार कि डोंट लूज़ होप. You all can do it. Just be confident yourself, stay happy, enjoy with your family and also work hard. These things are very important. एंड अगर आपको खुद के लिए किसी से भी लड़ना पड़े तो लड़ लो, क्योंकि क्या पता आपका आज का लड़ा हुआ कल क्या आपके डॉक्टर बनने में साथ दे, या फिर आप जो भी करना चाहो उसमें साथ दे. अगर आप आज ही नहीं बोलोगे तो आप कल वो कैसे बन पाओगे जिसका आपने सपना देखा था. सो थैंक यू, बाय बाय, मिलती हूँ जल्दी नेक्स्ट सुपर ब्लॉग के साथ.